Man coughing for 2 months finds massive throat leech. You ever get that itchy feeling at the back of your throat? Hopefully it's not because of what this guy had. A 60-year-old Chinese man in Yibin had an itchy throat and bloody cough for about 2 months. Turns out it was only a leech. According to Red Star News, the man named Li had been trying to find a cure but kept getting misdiagnosed. He finally figured out why things have been sucking for him so much after he saw a specialist at a hospital in Xingwen County. Dr. Zhang Dadong performed an endoscopy on Li and found a big old 10-centimeter long leech chilling in his windpipe. The doctor called in some help and a team of them helped sedate and finally pull out the leech using some forceps. Looks like Li, who is from the countryside down in Daba, ingested the eggs when he drank some untreated water. The larva then hatched in his throat and had a buffet blood feast for about 2 months, growing to quite an impressive size. The doctor advised people from the area to boil their water first before drinking it. Anyone else thirsty?